This is how it goes down when the top HVAC pros in Long Island install your system.
It's a movie. Red carpet, the lights going through me. Anytime I arrive, it's the new me. Real diamonds on my neck, there's groovies.
For a quality installation done right the first time, give us a call. 516-377-5200.
All my rings got weight.